Goth Chhato Chand is a village in Sindh, Pakistan. Nestled in the heart of the province, this village is a testament to the rich cultural heritage and natural beauty that Sindh has to offer. The village is not just a place on the map, it is a living, breathing entity that tells the story of its people, their traditions, and their way of life. As you approach Goth Chhato Chand, the first thing that strikes you is the serene and tranquil environment. The village is surrounded by lush green fields, which are a stark contrast to the arid landscape that Sindh is often associated with. The fields are a testament to the hard work and dedication of the local farmers, who toil day and night to cultivate their land and provide for their families. It is a hidden gem. The village is often overlooked by tourists, who tend to flock to the more well-known destinations in Sindh. However, those who do make the effort to visit Goth Chhato Chand are rewarded with an experience that is both unique and unforgettable. The traditional houses in the village are a sight to behold. Made from locally sourced materials, these houses are a perfect blend of functionality and aesthetics. The intricate designs and patterns on the walls of the houses are a testament to the craftsmanship of the local artisans. Each house tells a story of the people who live there and their way of life. The village is known for its history and culture. The people of Goth Chhato Chand take great pride in their heritage and are always eager to share it with visitors. The village is home to several historical landmarks, each with its own unique story. These landmarks are a testament to the rich history of the village and the resilience of its people. The cultural festivities in the village are a sight to behold. From traditional music and dance to local crafts and cuisine, the village offers a glimpse into the vibrant culture of Sindh. The people of Goth Chhato Chand are known for their hospitality and are always eager to welcome visitors and share their way of life. It is a great place to experience the beauty of Sindh. The village is surrounded by beautiful landscapes that are a treat for the eyes. The lush greenery and scenic beauty of the area are a stark contrast to the hustle and bustle of city life. The village offers a perfect escape for those looking to unwind and reconnect with nature. The serene environment and the fresh air are a welcome change from the pollution and noise of the city. The village is a perfect destination for nature lovers and those looking to experience the beauty of rural Sindh. The village is located near the city of Dadu. This makes it easily accessible for those looking to explore the rural side of Sindh. The proximity to Dadu also means that visitors can easily make a day trip to the village and return to the city by evening. The village is well connected by road, making it easy for visitors to reach. The journey to the village is an experience in itself, with scenic views and beautiful landscapes along the way. The village is a perfect destination for those looking to explore the rural side of Sindh without having to travel too far from the city. It is easy to get to by car. The roads leading to the village are well maintained, making the journey smooth and comfortable. The drive to the village offers a glimpse into the rural life of Sindh, with beautiful landscapes and scenic views along the way. The village is well connected by road, making it easy for visitors to reach. The journey to the village is an experience in itself, with scenic views and beautiful landscapes along the way. The village is a perfect destination for those looking to explore the rural side of Sindh without having to travel too far from the city. Goth Chhato Chand is a great place to visit for people who want to experience the real Sindh. The village offers a unique blend of history, culture, and natural beauty that is hard to find elsewhere. The people of the village are known for their hospitality and are always eager to welcome visitors and share their way of life. Whether you are a history buff, a nature lover, or someone looking to experience the vibrant culture of Sindh, Goth Chhato Chand has something to offer for everyone. The village is a perfect destination for those looking to escape the hustle and bustle of city life and experience the beauty and tranquility of rural Sindh. Goth Chhato Chand is an old village. People have lived there for many years. The village has a rich history. You can see it in the old buildings. The people of Goth Chhato Chand are very friendly. They are happy to share their culture with visitors. The village is a great place to learn about the history of Sindh. Goth Chhato Chand is surrounded by nature. There are many trees and plants. The air is fresh and clean. There are several lakes and wetlands near the village. These are home to many different animals. You can see birds, fish, and other animals. The climate is hot in the summer and mild in the winter. A visitor's delight. There are many things to see and do in Goth Chhato Chand. This charming village offers a unique blend of history, culture, and natural beauty that captivates every visitor. Whether you're an avid history buff, a nature enthusiast, or someone who loves to immerse themselves in local culture, Goth Chhato Chand has something special for you. You can visit the old buildings. These structures, some of which date back centuries, tell the story of the village's rich past. As you walk through the narrow lanes, you'll come across beautifully preserved houses, temples, and public buildings that showcase the architectural styles of different eras. Each building has its own story, and guided tours are available to help you uncover the fascinating history behind these ancient walls. You can learn about the history of the village. The local museum is a treasure trove of artifacts and exhibits that provide a glimpse into the lives of the people who have called this place home over the centuries. From ancient tools and pottery to traditional clothing and photographs, the museum offers a comprehensive look at the village's heritage. Information plaques and interactive displays make the learning experience engaging and informative. You can also enjoy the natural beauty of the area. The village is surrounded by lush greenery, rolling hills, and picturesque landscapes that are perfect for nature lovers. There are several hiking trails that take you through forests, meadows, and along rivers, offering stunning views and the chance to spot local wildlife. Whether you prefer a leisurely stroll or a more challenging hike, the natural beauty of Goth Chhato Chand will leave you in awe. You can go for walks in the countryside. The rural pathways are well maintained and offer a peaceful escape from the hustle and bustle of city life. As you walk, you'll pass by fields of crops, quaint farmhouses, and friendly locals going about their daily routines. The fresh air and serene environment make it a perfect place to relax and unwind. You can see the lakes and wetlands. These natural habitats are home to a variety of bird species and other wildlife, making them a paradise for birdwatchers and nature photographers. The wetlands are particularly beautiful during sunrise and sunset when the light creates a magical atmosphere. Guided tours are available for those who want to learn more about the local flora and fauna. You can also learn about the local culture. The village is known for its vibrant cultural scene, with regular festivals, performances, and workshops that showcase traditional music, dance, and crafts. You can watch local artisans at work, participate in a dance class, or even try your hand at making traditional crafts. These cultural experiences provide a deeper understanding of the village's heritage and the skills that have been passed down through generations. You can visit the village market. The market is a bustling hub of activity, with vendors selling everything from fresh produce and handmade crafts to clothing and souvenirs. It's a great place to pick up unique gifts and sample local delicacies. The vibrant colors, lively atmosphere, and friendly vendors make it a must-visit spot for anyone exploring the village. You can try the local food. The village is known for its delicious cuisine, with a variety of dishes that reflect the region's culinary traditions. From savory snacks and hearty meals to sweet treats, there's something to satisfy every palate. Street food stalls and local eateries offer a chance to taste authentic flavors and experience the village's food culture firsthand. Don't miss the opportunity to try some of the local specialties and enjoy a meal with a view of the beautiful surroundings. Welcoming nature. Goth Chhato Chand is easy to get to. There are good roads leading to the village. There are also several hotels and guest houses in the village. This makes it easy for visitors to find a place to stay. The people of Goth Chhato Chand are very welcoming. They are always happy to see visitors. A place to remember. Goth Chhato Chand is a unique destination. Nestled in the heart of Sindh, this village offers a blend of natural beauty and cultural richness that is hard to find elsewhere. As you approach the village, the first thing that strikes you is the breathtaking landscape. The lush green fields stretch as far as the eye can see, creating a serene and peaceful atmosphere that immediately puts you at ease. The air is fresh and clean, a welcome change from the hustle and bustle of city life. It is a great place to experience the beauty of Sindh. The countryside is dotted with small farms and orchards where you can see local farmers tending to their crops. The sight of the golden wheat fields swaying in the breeze is truly mesmerizing. The village is surrounded by rolling hills and meandering rivers, making it a perfect spot for nature lovers. Whether you enjoy hiking, birdwatching, or simply taking a leisurely stroll, Goth Chhato Chand has something to offer for everyone. The village is a perfect place to relax and enjoy nature. Imagine waking up to the sound of birds chirping and the gentle rustling of leaves. You can spend your days exploring the countryside, visiting local markets, or simply relaxing by the river. The villagers are warm and welcoming, always ready to share a smile or a story. They take great pride in their heritage and are eager to share their traditions with visitors. It is also a great place to learn about the history and culture of Sindh. The village is home to several historical landmarks and cultural heritage sites. You can visit ancient temples, traditional houses, and local museums that showcase the rich history of the region. The architecture is a blend of traditional Sindhi and modern styles, reflecting the village's unique cultural heritage. The local festivals are a sight to behold, with colourful processions, traditional music and dance performances that bring the village to life. You will have a great time, whether you are travelling alone, with family or with friends. Goth Chhato Chand offers a variety of activities to keep you entertained. You can take a guided tour of the village, participate in local crafts workshops, or enjoy a traditional Sindhi meal at one of the local eateries. The food is delicious, with a variety of dishes made from fresh, locally sourced ingredients. The flavors are rich and aromatic, a true reflection of the region's culinary heritage. You will never forget your visit. As the sun sets over the village, the sky is painted in hues of orange and pink, creating a magical atmosphere. The memories you make here will stay with you forever, from the stunning landscapes to the warm hospitality of the villagers. Every moment spent in Goth Chhato Chand is a moment to cherish. So come and experience the beauty, history and culture of this unique village. You won't be disappointed.